let us know or you can now message us on WhatsApp 075452 and thanks for watching. Good morning.
Seen the sun in days. 10 days actually. So at this point, it'd be easier to just fly to it. Look at that. I found it. Get that trip. It's easy. We local. We
There's big news for women who feel they have thin hair. Scientists uncovered some amazing results whilst developing the shampoo.